What's going on, folks? My name's Richard, and today we have Blizzard from Baffin. These boots are part of the soft shell series. You have a high-performance, waterproof, breathable, soft shell upper to keep your feet protected on the inside. It's constructed with a tendon guard and ledge for easy snowshoe binding compatibility, which is great. It does have a form-fitting inside lining, so that way once you lace up, it's really gonna lock everything into place and make sure it stays right where it should. It has an anti-microbial lining too, which is great for an odor-free in-shoe environment. Got an EVA midsole for plenty of lightweight shock absorption and that polar rubber outsole down here to keep you steady over all types of winter conditions. Conquer anything nature throws at you. It's from Baffin.